Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So ever wish you could split your paycheck automatically so some goes to spending and some to saving? Cash App makes it possible and I will show you how in just a few steps. So what does the splitting a paycheck on Cash App means? Splitting a paycheck means dividing your direct deposit into multiple parts. For example, sending part of your income to savings, bills, or another Cash App account. And before we begin, here's what you need. A verified Cash App account, your Cash App routing or account number, access to your employer payroll system or HR, and a second bank account or Cash App account is splitting between places. And here's how to split your paycheck. First, find your Cash App direct deposit info. So first, open your Cash App, then tap Money, which will look like a bank account, then tap Routing and account number, and then copy the both number. Now go to your employer payroll portal. For that, log into your system or ask your HR. Then find the direct deposit or payment info section. Now set up payment split. Choose this account, add account or split deposit, then add your Cash App info as one account and add another bank or card if splitting between two places. And here's an example. 70% to Cash App and 30% to another bank. Now confirm and save. Double check if the routing or account numbers and save confirm with the HR or your payroll system. And here are some important tips. No fees for direct deposit into Cash App or deposit may take 1 to 2 paycheck cycles to reflect the split. And Cash App doesn't yet allow in-app or splitting, so the setup must be done via your employer. And here's my final thought. Splitting your paychecks through Cash App helps you to budget smarter, setting part of spending, savings, or even shared Cash App account. Just set it once through your employer and enjoy the automatic control. And that's it. With Cash App and employer help, you can split your paycheck automatically and stay in control of your money without lifting a finger after setup. And if this helped you out, like this video, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.